Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a league in Fantasy Premier League. You need to first open a web browser, then go to fantasy.premierleague.com. You can also use the FPL application if you have it installed on your device. Then after, click on the Fantasy tab from the bottom, which is between latest and season if you're using the application. Otherwise, if you're using a browser, you need to go to the Leagues and Cups section from the top, which is between transfers and fixtures. Now from this page, click on create a league option. Then you'll get two different options of create a league in cup and create head-to-head league. Choose one that you prefer. You will see several boxes to fill in. You need to first enter your desired league name and then select the scoring stats and click on create league from the bottom. And after a short wait, your league will be created and listed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again